Ryan here for Silly Reviews. We're reviewing Snap Hook. Just snap it. It's on, as seen on TV. Very exciting. No nails, no holes, no glue, no mess. This is the 8 hook value pack. Very exciting. Take a look at the back of the box. Boo bop. I turned it around. You can hang a wreath from it. Won't slip or slide. Slipping and sliding? No, not today. Use it for in the bathroom. Hang stuff in the bathroom. School, gym, car. Put a bowling ball in this mother. Let's go ahead, turn the box back around. We're gonna pop the top. That's a boo bop. Let's take a look up close, personal at the Snap Hook as seen on TV. This is my Snap Hook review. Pull it out. They're in the container right there. You've got some big ones. You've got some small ones. This is the 8 pack. Why is there only 4? 8 hook value pack. Did somebody steal 4 of these out of here? Did they buy them, take 4, return them? What's going on? I got ripped. That's a ripsy-doo scammeroo, but I'm going to go ahead and proceed. We're going to go forward. I already thought of a way to use these. Now, pretend this is a shower wall. I like to have my phone in the shower. Not a shower wall. This is a cabinet. Painted wood. And look at this thing stick to the painted wood. If it's going to stick to painted wood like that, it's going to stick to glass, hard plastic, mirrors really well. This is my idea for in the shower. Just pretend along with me. I figure if you set 2 of these hooks up, you can put a phone on it. Kind of like so. Well, wait a minute. Let's adjust the hook. Pull the hook up. It might lose a little suction, but let's see. Will it hold a phone? Now you're watching your favorite flick in the shower on your phone thanks to the Snap Hook. I'm going to go ahead and give that 2 thumbs up. Ryan for Silly Reviews. Leave your comment.